Hi kids, and welcome back to your English class. So today we are going to deal with a new chapter and you have to be ready with the worksheets from 151 to 152. Okay, I hope all are ready with your worksheet. So today we are going to learn about the people who are around us and who helps us to make our lives easier. Okay, you can see over here in the board some of the professionals who helps our lives. Okay, policeman, traffic police, doctor, engineer, architect, teacher and many more. Okay, these are some of the people who helps to make our lives more easier. Okay, so our topic for today is people around us. Okay, we are going to learn about the people who helps to make our lives more easier and comfortable. I hope you are ready with. So we will move on. The first person, you can see a person over there in the garden. Where is he? Yes, in the garden. So what is he doing? He is taking care of the plants, isn't it? So what do you call him? Do you know? He is known as gardener. Okay, he is known as gardener. Okay, the person who looks after the garden is known as gardener. Okay, so we will write over here. Gardener. So it is D-E-N, gardener. Gardener. Okay, gardener. The pronunciation is gardener. Okay, so we will move on to the next person. Who is this? You know, by seeing the picture itself you can understand. It is a doctor. So whom do you go when you are ill? When you fall sick, we'll go to a doctor, isn't it? So the person over here is doctor. So doctor is the person who helps us when we fall sick. She helps us to recover the illness, isn't it? So whom do you go to when you are ill? Yeah, we go to a doctor. Okay, I hope it is clear. Again, here you can meet. This is Mr. John and he is a greengrocer. You can see in his shop there are fruits, vegetables, isn't it? So greengrocer is a person who sells fresh fruits as well as vegetables. Am I clear? So greengrocer is a person. Greengrocer is a person who sells fresh fruits and vegetables. Okay, so keep in mind greengrocer. Okay, you have to learn the spelling also of this word. Okay, again the next one, she is Mary. She is Mary the baker. She is a baker. Okay, who is a baker? The person who bakes bread, biscuits and cakes etc. are known as a baker, isn't it? So the person who bakes breads, biscuits, cookies etc. for us. So she is a baker. So she also helps us to get tasty cookies, cakes etc. isn't it? So she also, or the bakers also help us to have tasty food, isn't it? So this is Mary, she is a baker. So you have to learn the spelling of baker. Okay, again moving to the next one. This is Rahul. Mr. Rahul, he is a peon at the school. So he is a peon at the school, and what does a peon do at the school? Yeah, he rings the bell at the end of each period and also he helps the principal and the staff and the office staff. Okay, so peon is the person who helps the principal and also the staff, and also he rings the bell after each period. You know, isn't it? You are very familiar with the person. Okay, moving to the next one. Here Mr. Stanley. This is Mr. Stanley. He is a bus driver. What is he? He is a bus driver. And how does he help us? He helps us to travel from one place to another place, isn't it? Bus driver or drivers help us to travel from one place to another. Am I clear? Okay. Again, so shall we read and go? So Mr. Stanley is a bus driver. He helps us to travel from one place to another safely. So we travel safely with the help of a driver. I hope it is clear. So again we are going to meet the next person, and she is a florist. You might not heard this word florist. So this is Gloria. The florist means the person who sells flowers and bouquets. Okay, so here this is Gloria. She is a florist. She is a florist and she sells flowers and bouquets. See the spelling of bouquet? B-O-U-Q-U-E-T-S. The pronunciation is bouquet. Okay. So flowers and bouquets. So the florist is the person who sells flowers and bouquets. Okay. The next one. This is Mr. Gomez. He is a pilot. He is inside an aeroplane. Okay. So this is the front portion of an aeroplane, the driver's cabin. Okay. So this is Mr. Gomez. He is a pilot. He flies aircrafts and make our domestic and foreign trips easy. Okay, so this is Mr. Gomez. He is a pilot. What is he? Yes, he is a pilot. And he flies. What does he do? He flies aircrafts and makes our domestic and foreign tours easy. Makes our domestic and foreign tours easy. So there is a letter missing, domestic. Okay. So once more we'll read together. This is Mr. Gomez. He is a pilot. He flies aircrafts and make our domestic and foreign tours easy. Okay. Moving to the next one. This is Mr. Chanel. He is a sailor. So he sails the ship. He is a sailor who sails the ship. Okay. So he sails the ship across the sea. So he is a person who sails the ship across the sea. So we'll read. This is Chanel. This is Chanel. He is a sailor. He sails the ship across the sea. Okay, I hope it is clear. Moving to the next one. This is teacher, the person who is familiar to you, isn't it? So teacher, what does teachers do? Yeah, teachers teaches different subjects and teaches to be good and kind to others, isn't it? Not only teaching the particular subject, instead the teachers helps you out to be good and kind to others, isn't it? With your behavior also. And she is also a caring mother, isn't it? She is also a caring mother, isn't it? She is your second mother, right? After your mother, she takes care of you at the school, isn't it? Nowadays, it's not possible due to COVID-19, but still we are trying to our level best. Okay, so teachers are teachers different subjects and also teaches to be good and kind to others, and also she is a caring mother. So shall we read? Teacher teaches different subjects and teaches to be good and kind to others. She is also a caring mother. Okay, so that's all about again today's class. So we will just recall, okay, what we have learned today. So the first person was gardener, isn't it? The person who looks after the garden is known as gardener. Again, the next person is a doctor. The person is a doctor. When we go to a doctor, yeah, we go when we fall sick. So we go to a doctor when we fall sick. So the doctor is a person who helps you to come out of the illness. Okay, the next one is greengrocer. Greengrocer is the person who sells fresh vegetables and fruits. Greengrocer is a person who sells fresh vegetables and fruits. Again, the next one is, this is Mary, the baker, isn't it? Baker is the person who bakes tasty foods like biscuits, bread, your favorites, isn't it? Chocolates and many more. So she is the person, or the bakers are the person who helps or who prepares tasty food for us. Again, the next one is Mr. Rahul. He is a peon, isn't it? Peon is a person at school who helps the principal and also the office staff, as well as he rings the bell at the end of each period. Okay. The next one again is driver. The person who helps us to travel from one place to another safely, isn't it? Again, then we learnt about the florist. Florist is the person who makes bouquets and flowers, isn't it? The next one is, this is Mr. Gomez. He is a pilot, isn't it? So the next person we learnt is pilot. Pilot is the person who flies the aircrafts and airplanes and who helps to make our domestic and foreign tours easy. And after that we learnt about the sailor. The sailor is a person who sails the ship. Okay. So after that we learnt teacher. Teacher, what does a teacher do? Yeah, teacher teaches different subjects. Not only teaching, she also takes care of your behavior, isn't it? So she teaches you to be good and kind to others, and also she is known as a caring mother. Okay, so that's all about today's lesson. So again, you have to read the lesson many times, and then we will continue with the next part of this lesson in the next video. So thank you for your time, children.